Here are more long vowel teams. The sounds are the same, but the way they are made is different. What are vcE long vowel teams? These long vowel teams are a lot like the long vowel teams you have already learned. There are two vowels. The first is long and the second is silent. However, these teams are different in two ways. First, the two vowels are separated by a consonant. Second, the silent second vowel is always an E at the end of the word. It's called final E. That's why these are called vcE vowel teams. They are made up of a vowel, the V, a consonant, the C, and a final silent E. The long vowel sounds are the same, so there are no new sounds in this lesson. The way the sounds are made is different, but you will quickly learn to recognize them. Let's just do a quick review of the long vowel sounds. A is for the sound A, as in ace. E is for the sound E, as in eagle. I, and sometimes Y, is for the sound I, as in ice. O is for the sound O, as in oboe. U is for the sound U, as in unicorn. Remember, learning long vowels may be challenging. Work at your own pace. Practice the new sounds several times before moving on.